sometimes it may make sense to reference a value that was on your record before LeanData routing completed. For instance, let's say that you're working with a graph like this, where at some point in the graph you update the status of the lead to a different value. Now, let's say you need to reference that value in a notification. So let's say that we are round-robining a record to someone on your team, and it would be helpful for them to know what was the status on the lead before LeanData updated it, not just what LeanData changed that status to. So in order to do this, we can utilize variables to store the value of that field before LeanData updated it. And that way we can reference both values later on, let's say in a notification. So here is how you do it. So firstly, I would need to create a set variable node. So we're going to pull in that node from the node bar here. And this set variable node, we are going to name the variable prior lead status. And let's see, we're going to use text, and it's going to take the value of the routed lead status after it initiates in LeanData. So I'll select routed lead status. And then let's go ahead and name this node. Record. Let's see. No, we should do prior. Let's do prior lead status. Now, once we've done that, we need to make sure that our entry nodes will progress through this set variable node. And this can then proceed through the rest of our graph here. Now it will progress through the graph, and then at various points, the status of our lead will get updated. I'm only going to show this to you for one of these branches. Let's say for this inbound round robin node. We want to send a notification that will reference both the previous status and also the status that it was changed to. So we'll open up this node, and then we'll click on Success Notifications. The recipient will be the new owner. We won't use a template, we'll use Compose Email. And then for the subject, we'll just do, you got a lead. And in the message is here where we can insert both statuses. You can say, LeanData changed the lead status from, and here is where we'll insert our variable. So we're going to look for the prior lead status variable. There it is. And then we're going to insert the status that the lead was updated to. So that's just going to be the routed lead, and then the status field on that routed lead. So an actual notification that you would use would obviously contain more information than just this, but you can incorporate this component of it where LeanData is alerting the new owner that the status was changed from a prior lead status to the lead status that it currently has. And that may help them with the proper context. Now, notifications aren't the only way to reference prior pre-routing values, but if you need to do this, you now have a blueprint for how to do similar things. I hope that helps.